I've got a nice little birthday list going for our cats, and I need to share it with my wife so that we can do our shopping. Luckily, sharing Google Docs is pretty easy. If we go up to this big blue share button at the top, when we hover over it, we get a little message saying that this document is private to only me, meaning it's not being shared with anyone else and it's completely secret. If we want to share it with a specific person, like my wife, we can click share. And in this people field, type the name or email address of the person we want to share it with. After that, we can choose what level of access they have to the document. We can give edit permission, which gives them full control over the document. We can give them comment permission, which lets them make comments or suggest edits to the document. Or we can give them view permission, which lets them only view the document. I'll choose comment so Emily can comment on which gifts she's gotten for the cats. I'll add a little note to go with it, and we see down here that people are going to be notified when this document is shared with them, meaning they'll get a little email that says, "Hey, Andrew shared this document with you, click here to see it." Last but not least, we'll send. Now that I've shared this document with someone, when I hover over that share button, it shows me who I've shared it with. And I can even open up that share window again and see a complete list of names if I've shared it with multiple people. Uh-oh, I just got a text from Emily saying that we need to send this list out to our friends and family. Since that's a lot of people, it's going to be easier to just send everyone a link to this document. To do that, we'll click Get Shareable Link up here at the top. Then, we can see what permission people who click on this link will have. Let's give them comment permission, just like Emily. Then, we can copy the link and paste it into an email or text message. Now, the share button lets us know that we're sharing this document with anyone who has the link. If we ever want to change that and make the document more private, we can click share, turn our link sharing off from this same dropdown, and now the people who have that link won't be able to access this document anymore, and me and Emily are the only ones who can see it, and we can keep conquering the world.